Alright, ETV Uganda, thank you so much for watching. Yona gye musinzira okuba nti mutulaba. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Webuzibidde nga omukulu Andrew Mukasa abasinga gumumanyi nga Bajjo ataddeyo obubaka obulaganga muganda wa Bobi Wine chairman Nyanzi bwamuwendulidde abavubuka ne bamukuba esaidi z'ekamwokya bw'abadde agenze ekamwokya. Wano nno obubaka buno omukulu ono yabutadde ku mutimbagano gwe ogwa Facebook ogumanyikiddwa nga Bajjo Events TV clear process. Obubaka buno oluvannyuma lw'okubuteekayo ebyette birabika si birungi abawagizi ba Bobi Wine aba People Power bavuddeyo ne bamwambalira ne bamugamba musajja gwe lwaki togenda mweni alemu mu mirembe, lwaki totuleka n'otuleka eno gye tuli bulijjo tubamanyi mwali adda lwaki temutulekera People Power yaffe mu mirembe. Abawagizi boogedde bingi nnyo nga buli omu awaayo kyalowooza opinioni ye ku bigenda mu maaso kubanga bino we bijjidde nga abantu bangi batandise okwogera ebitakwatagana naddala aba People Power era nga bano ye Bajjo ne mune Abitex wakakofiira we batera okuyita mwenna. Waliwo wano omukulu gwe bayita Roni Kawonawo amugambye join NRM in peace, wegatte ku NRM yo mu mirembe ffe tuleke. Ono Chandra Taylor n'agamba People Power supporters tearing themselves apart. Abawagizi ba People Power beyuza. Ono mulala Prince Hamza n'amugamba muganda wange Bajjo ebintu bya struggle bijjeemu abantu n'okwerabisa nnyo mu kamera. Lwaki ogezaako okulumbagana omuntu ensonga nga zino mwandibadde musobola ozimalira wabweru wa kamera. Ono Donozio Daniel Kenzo ye n'agamba Bajjo it looks like you are not among us. What kind of nonsense is this? Why are you trying to divide the People Power by supporting only Bobby? Kyenzudde engalabi ekumenyera bwereere. Do you think Bobby himself is happy with your immature statement? So alaba ETV Uganda bwe bityo Bajjo bamwambalidde bamugambye omuntu omunene engalabi emumenyera bwereere. Victor Kisenya agamba Papa, it could be better to sit as People Power family with the principal himself and sort out these issues other than posting such information which will lead to comrade discrimination. Please, we don't order but request you to pull down the post. Ono Mugisha Robert n'agamba bino abaani kati bye baagala. Now they are going to look for Bajjo for an interview. Dorini Katsidora n'agamba the evidence would be a video with Nyanzi in a picture. However much I don't support him, I don't think he can do this. Mirembe Peace n'agamba this is nonsense in the People Power family. Couldn't you just settle this out of media? Totutama nawe. Namugamba delete this post. Kundu Ronald Mate n'agamba where is the proof that he attacked you? You are reporting and providing a case number. This is not proof that you were attacked by him. This post is causing malicious damage to People Power. Bajjo Events TV clear process. You could be doing your job like others. Speculate. Sebu Matempla Godfrey ye n'amugamba go ahead. I have been waiting for this moment all along. Ever you say you support People Power, but you don't like the other supporters of People Power. Now you only support Bobi Wine, but you don't support his coordinators. So you want Bobi Wine alone and no other person from People Power. Olya mmere ki tujimma abaana. Alright, omukulu bwate agambye omukulu ono Bajjo alya mmere ki tujimma abaana. Okay? Alya mmere ki abawagizi ba People Power abatabukidde Bajjo alya mmere ki? Omuntu watuukira okubuuza oba olya mmere ki bajimma abaana. Kiba kigenze wala nnyo naye ng'ebyowulira si birowoozo bya ETV Uganda oba nnyiniyo n'abagiddukanya wabula birowoozo by'abantu sekinnoomu. Tugezaako kutuusaako wano abantu comments ne opinioni zaabwe ku byabbajja okugamba nti muganda wa Bobi Wine Chairman Nyanzi yawendudde abavubuka ne bamulumba. Katende Moses Mosika n'agamba you are now trying to find your way out of people power cause you found yourself of no purpose there, but please live in peace and don't tarnish our comrades. Do as your yellow spy Abitex did, otherwise tonaba. Bernard Twino Mugisha n'agamba Bajjo, I can clearly see that you've begun your NRM job. Continue. When people say that someone is an NRM project, I didn't know. Chiba kituufu. No one can believe these your stupid baseless allegations. You are trying to paint a bad picture of people power, and that was the role NRM gave you. Continue. Naye some of us twakutegeera dda. You and Abitex should just come out and join NRM officially. We have no problem with you. Mox Moses Mulinagamba, sometimes we need common sense. We are not among those who try to threaten Gashumba for criticizing the Katikiro, reaching the extent of going tribal when you called him Omugwira. Let's lead by examples. Maybe you criticized him as well. You want to criticize, but you don't want to be on the opposite side. Kataro Ninagamba, sorry for what happened, but everyone is in the struggle. I think it's needed to give lectures of discipline and way to behave yourself in good manners. Otherwise, you will let these support buyers to use you in your anger. Be wise and know how to overcome such situations. Ashiri Sins agamba and see Bajjo calling himself a law-abiding citizen. Like really? Bajjo has been to police custody over 40 times in 1 year. Bajjo has gone with his mattress to court and refused to leave the court premises. How can you say you are a law-abiding citizen in Uganda? You are among the biggest criminals Uganda has had in the last 2 years. Okay, ayo bwati bwagambye. Musige Abdallah Latif n'agamba, from what I'm seeing, you are soon following the footsteps of Abitex. A mere fact that you are now waging unnecessary wars against his relatives is enough to justify that you are working for someone besides people power. It would be prudent to understand that if you want to smash a cobra, NRM, you shouldn't let its eggs go hanging, because it's a threat to a new generation of cobras. But in all, don't involve people power kingpin in your wars, because it dents his reputation in the sight of the public. Eyo mukulu amugambye wano nti bw'oba oyagala kutta musota mukambwe gwayise cobra, toyinza kuguleka ate omusota gugende nga gumansa amagi gaagwo, kubanga ago amagi gavaamu emisota emirala emikambwe. Agamba nti bw'oba olumba ebintu by'osobola okubikola oba ogoberera Abitex nga bwe yagenze, naye Bobi Wine mumujje mu bintu byammwe. ETV Uganda, that is where we are. Byonna by'owulira ebyo si birowoozo bya ETV Uganda oba nyiniyo n'abagiddukanya, wabula birowoozo bya muntu sekinnoomu. Osobola okuteekawo comment yo, what do you have to say about this? Bajjo alleges that Nyanzi, Chairman Nyanzi, yamuwendulidde abavubuka ne bamukuba. Francis Xavier Lubega n'agamba, you belong to NRM. The wise minds know. You belong to NRM. The wise minds know. This is why you have started testing the wreck of people power. Better sort yourself. Nsamba Shahid MP Kalungu, I have now come to remind myself of two guys. Whose image are you tarnishing? People power, Nyanzi, or Honorable Kyagulanyi? I don't know why I'm now conversant that your agenda is not good for us as a nation. Mwejuche disa nagamba Bajjo wewumuzeeko. Otherwise, You have gone astray. Think more and twice in all what you are doing. Manya woino koma. It seems your mission is to divide the people power. I don't think Nyanzi can do such things unless you prove us with evidence. Asman Kasule nagamba, but you guys, you are making Muhoza and Balamu's dream come true. Anyway, by the year 2021, Bobby and his son will be the original people power supporters. Mwekube ebyo byamwe. What we only need is change. Ono tumwine Lodrick nagamba, Kyagulanyi needs a big number of MPs and LC5 behind him. You can't say you like him and you don't back other candidates in his ticket. That's simply double standard. Bajo olikayaye. Margaret Hope nagamba anti balyose, people are fed up of your drama. Bakukubye kitono. So what were you doing in Kamwocha? Onamubuuziza what were you doing in Kamwocha? Bakukubye katono. Mukulu kitegeeza abadde yeetaaga okwongeramu kumpi oba emisamba ggere. Oyo omukyala bw'atyo bw'amugambye, wabadde okola ki e Kamwocha? Kiki ekyakututteyo? Nambiro Fred n'agamba, ssebo omwami wa full figure wumuza ekitu ekyo wansi. Posting nonsense every now and then. Supporting or not supporting Nyanzi doesn't make no difference. As you, how many people can you influence to vote? You came to disorganize people power and creating a platform for media criticizing people power. Comedy wo muwumuze people power is a serious movement of which many people have lost their lives. Abuyaki nagamba, sorry mister, but I'm asking that who sent you there and why can't you start your home safely instead of bringing problems to yourself? So Wedi Masodo namugamba, you have become a comedian these days. Ofuse Munakatemba, but I don't know why. It's because we are in lockdown. You don't have what to do. Paid to confuse opposition or making news. Mangusho Dennis nagamba, those are the trials and the tribulations that we have to overcome as a people. Treat this as part of the struggle. Kazibwe the King nagamba, even if false prophets use the Bible to preach, that family can't revive this country. None of them is a politician or a leader, but all paid to obstruct real patriotic and genuine freedom fighters of this country. Rasta Franklin Oceans Weaver nagamba, I smell something. I resist disinformation in Biganye until further notice. Ne wabulawo n'ekifaananyi kyonna bajjo gwe mmanyi abadajja kupostinga emmotoka gye boonoonye. Guys, I'm not attacking anybody because I don't have that right, but sometimes Ugandans, we should start using our brains. Nze nedda mbiganye. Zaga Kanyike namugamba yasamira muli, you were practicing fraud on people in diaspora. When the man himself, principal, put an end on your deals, you are yapping now. Lawrence Rollins nagamba, but you are fooling Ugandans. You've never been a people power supporter, only trying to tarnish the image, but you want to win. We are the people. How sure are you that he was the one? Bring evidence. We are tired of photoshops and audio. Moshi Moses agamba, nze nakizudde dolabika oli mulabe wa people power, naye olunaku lumu amazima gajja kuvaayo. Oyagala kutwawulamu, naye people power ejja kwongera okusomesa essomo. DJ Robert Skills nagamba, gwe bibajjo bya naleero bw'oba oyagala ssente za Museveni genda olye, naye lekeraawo okufuula people power katemba. We lose nothing for you to join NRM. Bwati omukulu bwamugambye. Ntongo Hadija nagamba, you again, naye omuntu alabye naawe. Why don't you cross peaceful to NRM without making stunts? All this started from the interview you had with Banyampi. Okay. Nakazi Sharon, we all know that you are working from 7, so better eat your money peaceful than shouting for us. Alright, comment nyingi nnyo n'okusingako nawe oyinza okuteekawo comment yo. What is your say? Osuubira muganda wa Bobi Wine Chairman Nyanzi ku myaka gy'aliko n'obumanyirivu bw'aliko mu by'obufuzi, kubanga musajja mukulu aweebwa ekitiibwa, abadde mu by'obufuzi for over 20 years. Bobi Wine agenda okutandika okuyimba nga Chairman Nyanzi, era nga bamuyita Chairman Nyanzi nga musajja munnabyabufuzi. Abadde chairman yali chairman wa NRM emyaka mingi nnyo ekamookyawo. So osobola okuteekawo komenti yo. Bajjo Katemba Zaara abuza kiki, teekawo komenti yo muganda wange tugende, naye nga mwebale nnyo kutulaba. Abatulaba nga musinzira mu United Arab Emirates, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Alain, thank you. Bali Qatar mwebale nnyo, bali Oman, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia mwebale nnyo, abali South Africa, abali mu United States, abali Canada, abali mu Europe, Scandinavia, wonna baganda bange mwebale nnyo kulaba. Teekawo komenti yo. Engula abasajja banaajambala nga ndabanga engule gye bakutuddemu ekibajjo obubajjo bagisazeemu bupuloti, buli omu agamba wano wange. So awo we tutuuse n'ebyo bye bigenda mu maaso. Teekawo komenti yo muganda wange, mbaagala nnyo.